Hey guys, I wanted to do an after the weekend clean with me. I didn't do too much on this day because I typically don't have this day off, and I ended up getting the day off anyway, so I wanted to take the time to do a few things. So I usually try to change my sheets either on Sundays or on Mondays. This happened to be on Monday when I was filming it. So just changing my sheets, and I'm really sorry that the video quality is a little bit blown out and too bright. I was kind of tinkering with some of my settings to see if I could brighten up my videos a little bit. Since I don't have any lighting or anything yet, I was kind of seeing if I could bring up the brightness on my videos, but I definitely did way too much. I over brought it up, and so just kind of forgive that. So that's why I'm going to do a voiceover and just talk you through everything since it's kind of blown out. So yeah, it wasn't comforter changing week. I only change my comforter every 2 weeks. So this week will be comforter changing week, but it was just sheet changing week and all that kind of stuff. And I love clean sheets so much. It's like my favorite thing in the world to have clean sheets, but I hate changing my bedding. It's like, it's exhausting for me. Alright, so in the kitchen I was just putting away all the clean dishes. Anything that I hand washed the night before I was just putting away. And then I was doing the few dishes that were in the sink, like from breakfast or, maybe the night before. We had some tea the night before. So just doing those really quickly, and I had my diffuser going, and I had a Young Living oil in there, and it was the Stress Away one because I've been feeling a little bit tense lately. I think just because my schedule's been changing a lot, and so I'm trying to get used to it. So I was just feeling a little tense, but I'm getting used to my schedule, and it's becoming way more consistent, so it's really nice. And I've been enjoying my nanny job and doing YouTube, so it's been fun for me. And then this is the part where it's like really blown out, and tried to color correct it as best as my sister could, because my sister's really good at that stuff, but yeah, just ignore this. But this is just a quick wipe down of the counters with the Norwex cloth. So I was just quickly wiping down the counters. Nothing crazy because I had cleaned before the weekend, so it wasn't like the house wasn't like super dirty. So, but the mirror is usually kind of a weekly thing for sure, so I always try to do the mirror. And I'm using the purple Norwex window cloth to polish up the mirror. These two work so good together. I did a video on them. I can put it in the iCards, my video, my review and demo of these. I've really been enjoying them. especially for like quick cleans like this, you know, just a quick spot clean. So they've been really nice for that. Alright, and then just putting some laundry away. I wanted to get Alex's scrubs hung up. You'll see Alex's scrubs a lot, probably almost every time I do laundry, because this is the only set of scrubs he has. So I am constantly doing his scrubs every week. So it gets kind of repetitive and boring after a while, but I finally have gotten it down to how I want them to hang on the hangers and stuff like that, because that was hard for me to try and find some hangers for them and hang them together and all that kind of stuff. But yep, just getting his scrubs away. And then just doing a really quick vacuum, and then that's it. I had the rest of the day to myself to do whatever I want. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the after the weekend clean with me. My schedule has been changing a lot lately. I have been working a little bit more with my nanny jobs. So this isn't like a typical after the weekend clean with me, but I actually didn't have to work today, so I took some time to clean up a little bit and get a few things done. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you guys some motivation. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!